dude.
What's cracking? What's cracking? Yeah, I'm pumped.
I had some cool developments that arose that I think we could probably be a part of that would be really fun.
Let's hear it.
TJ Tuttle's down there. He has a golf cart for us already, so we don't have to rent one. And they're having belt sander races at 4 o'clock.
No way. We have to be there.
And TJ's dad has belt sanders for us to race.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you couldn't have planned this any better.
I know, it's just like all coming together. Alex is so good about it. Pay attention because I'm not.
All right, here, put this on.
This is adult child on it. It's pretty fitting.
Fucking blows up around. Calls up for video.
This one's actually new. So this
It's pretty small. Well, where's the whistle? This is the whistle.
No, that's the cord. Yes.
Adult child right there.
Oh, this is epic. That's great. I gotta take a photo. That's a one-time use thing. Deflate it, so just. Oh my goodness. Gosh, that was epic. I've always wanted to do that. I've had this thing seriously for like at least 2 years, long before I had an airplane too.
Spinks ground, Cirrus 360 Whiskey Lima at Vesper, ready to taxi.
Cirrus 360 Whiskey Lima, Spinks ground, runway 36 left, taxi via Alpha Hotel.
Alpha Hotel for 36 left, 0 Whiskey Lima. I like how we're dressed in like extreme normal beach wear.
Yeah. I brought shorts. Yeah, I got shorts in my bag too.
I brought shorts as well. It's just funny because we're all wearing jackets, hoodies. Look at how much crosswind there is. This plane right here coming in just grabbed. Yeah, it's just grabbing in.
What are you looking at right there?
This is the traffic. So this is the airport right here, and these are the planes. So he's 300 feet above us. It's got the arrow pointed down, so he's descending.
Right there. Yep. Another one coming in behind him, it looks like.
Yeah, that one is coming in to land on the grass runway for a touch and go.
Number 360 Whiskey Lima, runway 36 left, clear for takeoff. Same direction, departure again, please.
360 Whiskey Lima will be departing to the south off of 36 left, 0 Whiskey Lima.
So left turn approved, number 0 Whiskey Lima.
Left turn approved, 0 Whiskey Lima, clear for takeoff.
One left to push on
All right. Making sure there's no traffic.
Number 74 Golf, runway 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to land, 74 Golf.
Number 5 Charlie November, runway 36 left, clear to land. There's traffic turning right downwind for the east runway.
Okay, 36 left, clear to land. We're looking for traffic there.
Airspeed's good. There's 70 knots. Rotate.
In the air. Hey, that's my neighborhood right there. See that lake? Dude, your neighborhood streets are shaped like a penis. Oh, yeah. Kind of weird.
So the real question is, what are we doing as soon as we get there? Grab transportation,
Yeah.
for sure. And then we're gonna go to the Crazy Cajun.
Nah, on my way, mate.
Shoot, I'm down.
Yeah, we come down here every summer with the family, and we stay over in Cinnamon Shore.
3 Alpha Alpha, squawk 2261.
You know where Cinnamon Shore is?
2261, 3 Alpha Alpha.
It's like on the west side. It's kind of like out of town a little bit.
I've never been here before.
You've never been to Port A? Oh, really? What about you?
No, never been.
No way. Sick.
Yeah. So who does all your YouTube video editing?
Me.
Jeez, dude, that takes a lot of time, huh?
It does. It does, and that's the reason that I've really neglected it for so long, what really makes it tough is whenever you have like a lot of different cameras.
Yeah.
Where you have to fit everything back in the storyline in order, right? So like this has to match up with the first. Now we're gonna have like 20 or 30 minutes of footage here.
Yeah.
I've got to put find the 1 minute of footage here to put where it goes there. Same with the 360 camera. Then as far as the one that's on the handheld, get all of that laid out, and then I'll end up having, you know, a couple of hours worth of footage.
Yeah.
Where I at least have it all in chronological order, and then have to go in and start. Why do seagulls fly over the sea?
Something about bagels.
Yeah, because if they flew over the bay, they'd be bagels.
I remember that. Especially right now because I'm super hungry.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything yet.
I had an almond butter breakfast bar. I'm trying to be healthy like Nice job, buddy.
Thanks.
Dude, that was pretty smooth, man.
Yeah.
I didn't feel any nervousness at all. That was awesome.
Thank goodness.
Maybe you
I did.
Oh, man, he's got this.
Dude, I'll be honest, dude. I had full faith in you, Alex. All the things you've accomplished, I feel like I'd ride with you in just about anything.
Thanks, man.
We're there.
We're there.
All right, we are in Port Aransas, Texas. There's Matt.
Yeah, we made it, dude. Good job, Alex.
The other Matt.
Best pilot in the game.
Best pilot in the game that they know. I'm the only pilot they know. So on the agenda first is we're gonna find transportation, and then we're gonna find food, hopefully crawfish, and then we're going, I guess, belt sander racing. Oh, you just can't even plan it.
Yes, airdrop is open. Well, that's your agent. Okay. This one flies. Stay off Highway 361.
All right, so I feel like we have to address the elephant in the room that we came to the beach on one of the cloudiest days of the year. But hey, there's people that are on the beach, straight beaching. Anyway, here it is. The Crazy Today, Junior! The Crazy Cajun sign and the Crazy Cajun. We're in Port Aransas, I almost said Florida. We're down in Port Aransas, Texas, checking out all the spots. We're wanting some seafood. We're wanting to eat some crawfish. And it's no other than the Crazy Cajun. That was my best guy, Fieri.
Right over here. Go ahead and dump the snow crab right on top, right?
All right.
There we go, right there. And then I'll be right back with all the butters and all that good stuff. The potatoes might try to roll off with this one. All right there. Oh. So I'll be right back with an extra one for you.
Oh, where'd it go? One horse bed. Is that what they say? One horse bed?
I think it's like
Oh, the
one
sun.
horse.
I know, like, that's what I said when I walked out. I said, oh, this is nice. The sun's coming out.
Oh, great. Now we gotta go back and find our clothes.
Here comes the sun. Go back and find our holes.
Get our clothes. Let's go.
Oh, get our clothes. I thought you said we have to go find our holes. It's like, I hope you're talking about the holes in the clouds.
Come on down to the Crazy Cajun.
Come on down. Have the crawfish with us in Port A.
In Port A, Florida.
Florida?
What's wrong with this thing? And they try to say if we break it, we buy it.
Yeah. It's already broken.
It's already broken.
Already broken. It's just your horn. It's built into your belly. Go! Galveston or Port A? I'd say Port A.
Port A all day.
Port A all day, yeah. Oh, Galveston's water was all brown. This one's actually got some decent color to it. Just gonna drive towards us in there.
Tortas.
Are you going to get your fish taken in?
We all are.
Perfect. Joe, I'm taking our photo. Hey, she's stealing our golf cart. I'm calling the cops. She's trying to take your Snickers, bro.
Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What?
I cannot even
What? That's why Stockwood would work.
Oh my God.
This will be a best 2 out of 3 race. And we've got some chicken bingo t-shirts and some turkey bowling t-shirts for sale. We go when the light turns green. Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green.
Hey Alex, you ready? Is this more nerve-wracking than a Top Fuel car?
Drivers, are you ready? We go when the light turns green.
Oh!
takes the first round. Blue water cowboy in lane number 2. We go when the light turns green.
Hell yeah!
Blue water cowboy takes the win. Guys, up here.
I'm like, dude, I'm shaking, right? Second round, racing the rabbit. Chasing the rabbit.
On to the next round.
I don't know what to say. I tried to throw him a curveball. He didn't take it.
Cowboy did an awesome
What do you do?
job.
Jump. I saw you jump. I know. I tried to flinch on it. What's up, Doc? Yeah, I don't think you can see me out of that thing. Gotta give a debrief here on what went down up in there. They go when the light turns green. Probably caught that. You know, I'm not saying that I didn't just get drugged, but I'm just saying that there might be more to it. Some of the guys were obviously just hitting the button and just kind of guesstimating, and with that incandescent bulb, you know what, I'm not even going to get into this because people are going to be like, oh, you're coming up with excuses. So you know what, I'm just going to take it. I lost, but had a great time. You know, all you can do in life is try to make your family proud, and I think that they'd be proud of me for this. Matt's proud. All right, Port A trip. I don't think we're concluding it quite yet. We're gonna go for a beach trip. See what else is going down while the sun finally came out. And where did he park? Yo, where'd you park? Please say it's the opposite direction. You had to park a long ways away.
That's why I missed the national anthem.
Anyways, it's turned out to be an absolutely awesome day at the beach. Clouds went away, the wind also pretty well died down. Really worked out so well. Wraps up our bro day in Port Aransas. Impromptu, spontaneous, eating some crawfish tails, racing some belt sanders.
Which was wild.
That was so wild. Thank you, Matt, for setting that up.
Yeah, that was rad.
With your boy TJ. Had no idea that that was a thing. And also thank you for letting me be the wheelman of their extra one. So I appreciate it. Sun's going down on this side of town, and we're heading back to Central Texas. Gonna land in Fort Worth, drop these guys off, and peace out back to Stephenville. If you watch this whole thing, thanks. It helps. And thank you guys for coming.
Super rad.
Good times. Friggin' awesome. How about that sunset?
It's killer.
That is what makes this the absolute best. And it was just a weird day with flying with the clouds and being at the beach with clouds and whatnot, but it broke through. It all came through, and it was stellar.
Catch you on the next one.